Please subscribe and click on the little notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. So here we are at Migros, and the supermarket in Switzerland. They've got great cleaning products. The line, they usually do their own brand stuff, and if you know Swifter, then you'll know the products that are similar to this. And the Migros brand is called Twist. But one thing that they have that Swifter doesn't is these gloves. These are dusting gloves, and I will show you how they work when I get back home. So another product that Migros has are sponges, like everyone else, and they have this particular one here. I'll show you. It's 3 francs 70 for these sponges, and they have like a sort of silver, very, very light, like a Teflon-y kind of thing. It's a little bit rough, and they actually are for polishing. And I think they work really well when you're trying to polish like aluminum, which you cannot put through the dishwasher, as you know, because it will become black. And so this is a really great product to get, and I always have a ton of these at home. So here's the chandelier that I bought on a stand. I'm just cleaning it now, and you can see this one, for example, it has not been cleaned yet, and this one is clean. And there is a difference, quite extraordinary, when you get it clean. As you can see, that's amazing. This one is still dirty, but I'm going to clean it. What I'm using is this, which I love. This is great. It goes on wood, glass, metal, wood. Well, I think I've said that already. It's a really good product. It's multi-surfaces, and I've used it on my stained glass because I've got the lead in between and the glass, so I can just clean it all at one time. Watching. Please subscribe and click on the little notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos.